Hello friends, welcome to my Artist Box channel. Today I'm going to make a simple journal with the things available at home. Vacation has started guys, we need new ways to engage our kids. This journal will be the perfect book for leaf collection, flower collection, and also it can be used to record their everyday discoveries, joys and events. So let us go to the materials, friends. I'll be using scrap papers. These are available as separate sheets. If you have old scrapbook papers, you can use those also. If you have white papers, even those can be used. I will be using some sketch pens, paper tapes, or washi tapes as we call them. These are available in various colors and patterns, so it is very easy to get these from the shops, and it is very cheap also and very easy to use. Then we will be needing a punching machine and a pair of scissors, a pencil and any color satin ribbon. Let's get started guys. We'll start this journal, a fun thing for our kids. I'm taking three light colored papers from the bunch. Okay, so I don't want any dark colors, so I am choosing these light colors. So I have chosen six sheets of various colors. Okay, so I am going to alternate the pattern. So I am going to shuffle these papers. So I'm going to keep one after the other of various colors. Okay, so that is how the journal is going to start. See, as I told you, these things can be made of very many papers also. You can have 10 sheets or anything also, and then you can make it as a journal. But I prefer it to keep it smaller for the kids to have separate things. So I'm just alternating the colors so that it will look colorful. Okay, and it can be used for you also. As women, we also need to record some things, right, like cooking or your own writings or anything like that. So I'm just going to fold these into halves. Okay, so it will be like a small notebook. Actually you can use full sheets also, but I feel the smaller the size, it will be easier for the kids to handle. They can carry them anywhere they want. Also I'm using 6 sheets. As I told you, you can use as many sheets as you want. Okay, now I am taking the paper tape of contrast color and I'm going to start sticking them along the borders. It's very easy to cut this tape off. You just need to tear it off like a paper. That's the best thing of this washi tape. And it comes in shiny patterns also. I will be adding the material from where you can get these washi tapes below, okay, in the description box. Do go and check it out. Okay, so I'm just going to tear it off and I'm going to stick around the four corners. Okay, so let me finish this with other pages also, and then we can move forward to the next step. While we are doing this, I will be happy to tell you that this can be done by the kids themselves, and also you will not need any scale or pencil or colors to draw the borders with these tapes. You can just stick it up and cut it off wherever you need it. Okay, and at the end I will be showing you one more material that we can use. We can make use of this washi tape. So just keep watching till the end. So I'm going to stick these colors. I've chosen contrast colors and I'm going to stick these things across. Okay, now I have almost finished it. Okay, so that's it, and I think all the papers I have covered it up. Okay, so I am just showing you one side of the journal because it will take more time to finish it off fully. So I'm just going to show you the half that I have done. Okay, So now I have stuck the tape and I am going to use a punching machine now. I'm just trimming the ends, friends. You can use scissors or you can just tear it off with hand. It's up to you how you're going to use it. So this way the book will look this way. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is, see how colorful the papers are. It's very pretty. Okay. Now I'm going to use a punching machine that I told you we'll be needing. Okay, so I will be putting the holes on the ends of these ends in this folding, exactly in the folding. Okay, so there will be 2 punch holes so that we can insert the ribbon, satin ribbon in, and on this side also. Okay, fine. So now it's ready. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take the satin ribbon. You can use even any I think thread or anything that you have, or woolen thread also. So whatever you have, you can use it. So I have this red satin ribbon. I found it somewhere when I was searching something else. So I'm just going to use it. Just cut like what, 12 inches. I think that will be mostly enough. So I'm just going to basically tie the papers around the punching hole. Okay. So both the sides I'm going to insert the ribbon and I'm going to take it out in the front. Now try to make the knot in the front side, because if you put the knot in the inside, it may not look very neat. You cannot store it or something. That knot part will be bulging and it will be a disturbance for your work. So I'm just going to put the knot on the outside and I'm going to finish it off with a bow. Okay, fine. So now my red bow is getting ready and done. The bow is done. So make it a bit loose, so that if you stick something inside, it will not be like it will not be like a notebook. So if you have some space in between, it will look very pretty. Okay, so now the journal is ready. I'm going to decorate the first page with some titles. You can stick stickers. You get so many stickers nowadays in any fancy shop. You can use those stickers. Or you can ask your kids to draw something in the front in the title place, so that it will be their own work on the cover. Or you can cut any picture from any magazine or something, and then you can stick it up on the first page, so that it will look so pretty. See, I have written happy vacations, my favorite leaves. So I am just going to give this book to my son, so that he starts collecting his leaves and starts sticking it in the book. Okay, so this is done, guys. The journal is ready. So after the journal, I told you guys I will be telling you a simple artwork, right? So I am going to make a greeting card with a plain chart paper. It's very simple. It's your creativity, guys. Okay, so I am going to use this paper tape. Take any chart paper and fold it into half, and then it is your creativity. Okay, so I am doing a very simple pattern. You can develop these ideas into something wonderful and beautiful for your kids, or as a gift purpose. You can make picture frames. You can give borders to thick cardboards and you can color it, and you can give the borders with these paper tapes, and then stick a photograph in the center, so that it looks like a photo frame. You can decorate your kids' notebooks, and you can make bulletin points with these washi tapes. And once you see the patterns, you will get different ideas. You can go and check it out in the stores. Okay, so this is ready. So now I'm going to just fill in the first page as a greeting card. So I am going to simply write whatever that comes to my mind right now. So it's very simple. I'm just drawing something so that it doesn't look very plain. Okay, so it is up to you. As I said, it's your creativity. You can stick pictures also here. As I said, you can use the stickers that I told you can use for the journals. The same method can be used over here. So that will be really colorful, guys. So that's it, guys. It's very simple, it's very easy to make. Try using these paper tapes for various purposes, and you can share your pictures whatever you have done in my Facebook page, which goes by the same name as my channel, Artist Box. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and so give your support as usual, guys. So hope to see you in the next video. I am planning to make another video of the flower making, woolen flower making. So hope to see you on that side of the video. So see you guys. Bye bye. See you later.